welcome back to another video. So today I've got an Amazon and AliExpress haul, but it's mostly nail tips and gel polish. There's a couple of other little bits, but I've got so many nail tips and I've got a couple of gel polish sets that I'm going to show you, because one of them is really cheap and I think you'll like it. Right, I'm going to start with Amazon and all these nail tips. This first set, let me get it out of the pack. I think this is the third set of nail tips I've got from this brand, and these are really nice tips. Let me show you one. Really nice. They're really long, but that's them. They're like COFFIN. They're really long and slim, and really like them. They're like half well. Oh, that's a pen from a video I've just done. A pen that just Johnathan Addict sent me. Really like the shape of them. I really do. But they're so long. Look how long they are. But they're a beautiful shape. And I think there's 100 in there. Yeah, I really like them. Let's have a look at the biggest one. It's hard for me to check the sizes because I've got extensions on. But yeah, that looks well big enough. Really like the shape. So that's theirs. Every set of nail tips I've had from these recently have been really nice. I have to get that bubble out because it's going to bug me otherwise. There, I've got it out. Yeah, so that's them ones. Right, all these other nail tips I've got now, these are all full cover COFFIN tips, which are my favourite shape. I always wear COFFIN. Right, I've got the, I can't remember if these were off AliExpress or Amazon. I can't remember. I'll have to try and find the link. I think these ones were off AliExpress, you know. But they've come in this little case. And these are just like the Gel-X dupes. They're just full cover COFFIN. Really like the shape of these, and they're not really long either. Look, they're not really long at all. I love the shape of them. So you just snap them off. They're all, these have got sizes 0 to 11 as well. So there's 12 sizes of these, which I really like. I love the shape of these tips. Can you see them properly there? I really like the shape of these. I've used these in quite a few videos actually, these shape tips, when I've been doing the lazy girl method and stuff. These are brilliant for that type of thing. I'm sorry if you can hear cars, I've got my window open, it's quite hot today. I'll have to try and find the link for them, because yeah, I can't remember if they were AliExpress or Amazon. Right, these next ones are definitely off Amazon. I got some nail tips off these at Christmas. If any of you remember the little short stilettos I wore at Christmas, that was from this brand, Vivid Stella. And these are all, I'll show you the side of the box. There's like a nude pink, a nude, a grey, a khaki green and a red. And these are the same as them I've just showed you, but all different colours. Exactly the same. Sizes 0 to 11, but all different colours. Should I quickly show you the colours? Right, so we've got these luscious red ones. Ooh, look at them. These are brilliant to decorate or just stick them on as they are. You could just glue these on or use sticky tabs. Well, yeah, decorate. I'll probably decorate them. And then we've got this nice nude kind of colour. And then there's this like, I wouldn't say it's a grey. It's like a bluey grey, isn't it? I like it though. And then we've got these ones. I like that colour. That's a really nice colour. And then lastly, there's the pink ones. I really like these. They're so convenient and nicely packaged in that box. I really like them. They're nice and thin as well at the cuticle area. They're really nice and thin, look. But at the free edge, they're really stiff. They'd be brilliant for making press-ons, they would. So that's the brand there. Again, I'll leave the links in my description box. Right, and this last set, again, this is full cover. Right, these are just, how many of these is there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so these are sizes 0 to 9. It comes with 4 little packs of glue. I actually painted one of these pink, because I had to do a review on it for Amazon. Look, I painted one pink. Look, you could just literally paint them any colour you wanted, and you're good to go, aren't you? Stick them on. Beautiful shape. I love the shape of these nail tips. Can't you tell I've bought so many? But yeah, I really like the look of these as well. Again, these are really thin at the cuticle area. Really nice and thin and bendy, but they're quite solid. Got a really cute little C-curve on them, haven't they? I really, really like them. What did I get it out of? That one. That one's got 500 in as well. There's a lot in there. A lot. That was off Amazon as well. Right, that's it for nail tips. So many nail tips, I know. So we've got them 3 boxes of Coffin, full cover Coffin, and then we've got these ones. Right, quickly from Amazon as well, I got a pack of these. This was a pack of 3, and the huge pump bottles. That's my old one, look, it's tiny. And these were only $3.99 for all 3. $3.99. They did take nearly a week to get to me, and that was on Amazon Prime as well. But $3.99, you really can't moan, can you? And they're just easy to use than having to keep pour or spraying. I got myself a pack of 24 alcohol inks. I've already sent a couple of colours of these to my friend Joe, but I got these because it comes with, this is the only reason I got them. I wanted white alcohol inks, and this comes with 2. It comes with your normal white and your deeper white. So that's why I got them, but it came with 2 normals and 2 deepers. So I've sent Joe some of them. One of these is open. I don't want to put the one that's open back in. Right, now lastly for Amazon, I wanted to show you this gel polish set. I've not been showing a lot of gel polish sets, but I'm showing you this one because it is $9.99. It's 12 colours. If I remember, I'll put the colours up on the screen. They're 8mm. They are plastic bottles, but they're all 8mm. This is going to be a white, innit? Oh no, it's pink. I haven't swatched them yet. I'll do a video on them because, yeah, for $9.99, 12 colours, I think that's an absolute bargain. I'll leave the link to this below as well. I'm not going to open every bottle showing you the colours because I don't want the video to be a really long one. But I'll do a swatch video on them. 12 colours. There's no base coat, top coat or anything. It's just 12 colours. That's less than £1 a bottle. What's that, about 80-90 pence a bottle? I can't be bothered working it out. But they look alright. So we'll have to get them swatched in another video and see what they're like. I like this holographic on the packaging. So that's the name of them there. MAYJAM, is it? MAVJAM or MAYJAM? MAYJAM, I think. Yeah. Right, the last couple of bits I've got now is from AliExpress. There's only a couple of items. I got myself, I ordered this weeks and weeks ago. It's just a Nicole diary liquid latex, you know, for when you're stamping. I grabbed one of that, one of them. Right, from AliExpress, I got myself some of these. I thought these were plastic, and they're not. They are glass. They even look plastic, don't they? And they're not. They're glass. I love that it comes in this little storage pot, little neon gems. It comes with a little picker-upper as well. Yeah, I was quite shocked that they were glass because they do look plastic. Right, also from AliExpress, I got these. Are adorable, look. Little busy bumblebees. Look how cute they are. They are adorable. Can't wait to do something with them. Summer. Do a drippy honey nails or something. Yeah, I love them. Love them. Right, lastly from AliExpress. This is not nail related, but you all know I love Mickey Mouse. I got myself a Gucci Mickey Mouse face mask. I had to. I just had to. Look at this, guys. It's adorable. It's got metal. You know, the little metal thing to mould it around your nose. Look at that, guys. How cute is that? I'm not happy because it's a bit pointed there, but I'll get my sewing machine out. I'll just tuck that in. Get my sewing machine out. And I'll stitch that, you know, to make it more rounded. Because I don't like pointy face masks, but that's adorable, isn't it? It's got the little slot there so you can put your filters in. I love it. I absolutely love that. I do. I think I'm going to leave it there. There's a couple more gel polish sets I wanted to show you, but I'll probably just do a swatch video on them. Anyway, the video's a bit too long. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. That's all my little odds and ends. Mostly nail tips. I'm obsessed with full cover tips at the minute. They're just so quick and easy though, aren't they? Oh yeah, look, it's got little, you know, to make it tighter and slacker. Because all these face masks, the adult ones are too big on me, and the kids ones are too small on me. So they're going to come in really handy. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Woohoo! Take care, bye.